Yeah, so the results of the investigation, I think, are ongoing, right? So I think Elmar has identified a number of compensatory actions that they're going to take in an effort to improve reliability of the grid. You know, the solution is complicated. It's going to take time to implement, but I don't think there are firm conclusions. I just think, to the best of our ability, we can conclude that we have a good plan and we need to stick to it and implement the plan as designed. Yeah, great question. So I think progress has already begun. So they've started, they stood up the project management office back in March, and they actually came up with their maintenance plan towards the end of last year, I believe it was September, October of last year, and they've been buying resources and trying to procure materials in order to actually implement the maintenance that needs to be performed. Yeah, so there was a period of time there where maintenance was, it wasn't being performed as probably it should have been, and now there's a backlog of maintenance, and they're trying to catch up and perform maintenance that's overdue. And that in turn is relating to some of the reliability issues that you're seeing here on island. Oh, correct. I think the challenges in front of us are, they're real, they're large, but they're manageable. I think we have the team in place where we can manage these problems. Yeah. I would say I hope, right? So it's going to take a lot of discipline. It's going to take a lot of hard work from the Elmar team. And, you know, it's not given, right? There's work to be done. There's a lot of work that's in front of us, but I think if we stick to it and we have discipline and rigor, we can implement the plan, and I think reliability will be substantially better.
When you say we need to have discipline, you mean the maintenance?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We need to do the maintenance, even when we don't think it needs to be done. If it's on schedule, we need to do the maintenance anyways. Yeah, it depends on the equipment. So transformers have a certain maintenance schedule: poles, lines, insulators, cutouts. The Magnifix ring terminal unit, which we use quite a bit here on island, they all have certain maintenance periodicities that are different from one another. And some of the maintenance has been ignored altogether. So or not ignored, but it's been deferred for so long that it just needs to be restarted.